Fellas, let me ask you a question. What if I told you that the secret to feeling younger, stronger, and just a little bit more super dad could be found in broccoli? Yeah, I know. Sounds like something out of a bad infomercial, right? But hear me out. Today, we are diving into what really happens to your body when you go vegan. And trust me, it's a transformation that might even have you giving up that barbecue on the backyard for tofu sticks. Alright, maybe not every weekend. You get the idea. So you've decided to give this vegan thing a shot. First of all, props to you. But let's be real. Those first few days are rough. You'll probably start thinking you've made a terrible mistake. Where's my steak? What's this kale doing on my plate? But what's happening under the hood is pretty incredible. Your body is like, oh, we are doing this? Alright, time to clean the house. All those years of double cheeseburgers and fries, they are getting the boot. You might feel a little sluggish at first as your body detoxes, but stick with it. Just don't be surprised if your wife notices you spending a little bit more time in the bathroom. Let's just say your body is taking out the trash. Now, around week 2, something magical happens. That sluggish feeling, gone. You wake up one morning and you feel like you've got the energy of your 20-year-old self. Maybe even better. Remember that's butt, well, you know that thing around your waist? Well, it's slowly starting to disappear. Those plants you've been munching on are working overtime to clear out the gunk in your arteries and get your blood flowing like it should. The result? More energy, better workouts, and you are even starting to get that old school swagger back. Your kids might even start asking, where's Dad been hiding out all this time? But don't worry, you won't be turning into the Hulk or anything. More like a leaner, meaner, and more focused version of yourself. By month 2, your body is really starting to embrace the change. But here's the part that surprises most folks. Your taste buds start to change too. Yep, the same guy who once couldn't fathom like life without bacon suddenly starts craving Brussels sprouts. Trust me, it happens. You start appreciating the natural sweetness of fruits, the crunch of fresh veggies, and before you know it, you are reaching for a salad without even thinking about it. And hey, who knew quinoa could actually be tasty? Well, maybe your wife did, but now you're finally catching on. And speaking of your wife, don't be surprised if she starts asking you to cook more often. After all, who knew you could whip up a mean vegan chili? You are probably the next plant-based Iron Chef. Now, let's talk long term. You've been at this vegan thing for a few months. Kind of like me, right? And your body has officially made the switch. What does that mean for you? First off, your heart is happier than it's ever been. Cholesterol, a thing of the past. Blood pressure, you got that one under control. You are not just adding years to your life, you are adding good years. You know, the kind where you're running around with your kids, not just watching from the sidelines. And let's not forget the other benefits. You might notice them in the bedroom. Let's just say plant-based eating doesn't just boost your energy at the gym. All jokes aside, your whole system is running smoother. Your immune system gets a boost. Your joints feel better and you just feel lighter, both physically and mentally. So what's the takeaway here? What's the takeaway? Going vegan isn't just about eating rabbit food or hugging trees. It's about reclaiming your health, setting a strong example for your kids, and maybe even surprising yourself along the way. You'll start to feel better, move better. Heck, you might even start grilling up some vegan burgers that the whole family enjoys. Okay, maybe that last part is a stretch, but seriously, don't knock it till you try it. So, are you ready to take the plunge and see what this vegan lifestyle can do for you? Your body and your family might thank you for it. Thank you for watching. And remember, whether you are a full-on vegan or just dabbling in a few plant-based meals, every little bit counts. Please leave a comment below and let's continue the conversation.
I'm Linda.
And I'm Asoni.
And we are the Jaff Kids. Like
and subscribe.
and hit that notification bell.